for snakes. This is a perfect spot for snakes. If I were a snake, I would live underneath that log.
Me too.
All right, who do I want to take? I want to take the little one. Something that's already rigged.
Okay, Nance and I are going to be heading out. It's our last night here, so we're going to head out for a little sunset. The sun is just starting to go down, so.
You filming you?
Yep.
Oh, you are.
So Nance is putting away two of the 17 rods that she has, and then we're gonna head on out to the bigger waters and try to catch some. I'm gonna catch some sun rays, and Nancy is gonna look for fishies. So I'll be reporting in.
I've got like $300 worth of lures and rods and a $60 life jacket I'm going to put in the house. You're a moron. Say there, I didn't see a fish.
It's a fish with a hook. There must be fish down there.
Oh, here. This will give us an idea. Ready? Pretty heavy and has a weight in the head. And there's an underwater current, so it's not that deep. I already hit bottom. Yeah. 15.
So that means we're drifting this way.
Yes.
Okay.
I got stuck on something. There's trees down there, I guess.
Maybe.
No, I'm sure it's a tree.
Got to cut it.
I'm sure it's a freezer. I mean, break my line if I keep on doing what I'm doing. Like some amateur. Alright. There. Coming back there. Reserve the fish. My name on it. Or halal. Doesn't matter. 8-pound test is no joke. 6-pound would have worked automatically. Alright, here we go. I know you're praying that that cloud gets out of the way in time. I'm so glad I wore shorts and a t-shirt. So nice.
It's perfect.
So nice.
Nance and I are out here in the middle of, well, I mean, this is such a big lake that we're not in the middle of Lake Marion, but we are at the end of Santee State Park, and we're watching the sunset, and Nance is fishing, and it's just a lovely evening. Nance already caught like a tree or something.
I did. It was a big tree. Big.
But it's just beautiful. The sky is just gorgeous. So anyway, we're gonna watch the sun the sun set a little bit, and then we're gonna head back and fish in our little area, and then pack it in, and tomorrow we go, we leave. So but it's
beautiful here.
it's really beautiful. So
Temperature's great. It's quiet. I can hear Leonard Skinner somewhere way off in the distance talking about being a simple kind of man.
all right, we'll be checking in.
No, we're going to find out that there's no fishing here because of the cable or something. Woman from New Jersey.
It wasn't too bad.
No, I thought it was
I did too. I was like, oh boy. I think because he's a flat boat.
You go to the opening, you can hit the green by the opening.
These are the cabins that sit right on the lake. So you can actually pull your boat right up, park your boat. This is us.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, we're right here.
I thought we had to go up and around, and I'm thinking, in 7 minutes, this is gonna be dark. Oh God, that's my hole in my ass. I would have figured that out because the landmark is there. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. Because the landmark is the pier.
Yeah.
Not to mention the lights. No idea. Big, not thin wings like osprey have, I guess thinner wings maybe. And they're black with, on the ends here is gray or white. But more of a blackish.
Did it have a really pointy beak?
I don't know, they were like.
Was it like that bird that guy talked about in the congaree?
Nope.
No?
Nope, there was no.
Yes!
Okay, so Nance and I went out for sunset. Nance hooked into probably some, I don't know, pipeline or something, probably. There's probably oil leaking down there now because she threw her line and then immediately got hooked on something. But anyhow, so we went out there, we caught the sunset, and then we came back and I saw a huge osprey with had to be an 8-inch fish. I mean, it's huge. It was weighing him down. He was flying so low because it was weighing him down. But and Nance saw a bunch of weird little birds. Big birds in the trees over there.
Look, up in the trees. Ooh, mosquito.
But we had a really good time. The weather was perfect. It wasn't humid. It was just lovely, wasn't it?
It was. It was really beautiful. It was nice.
So anyway, that.
Comfortable. I'm not done yet.
oh, go ahead. Nance has more to say.
No, you don't. I'm just cleaning my glasses.
Okay, she ain't got nothing to say.
I ain't got nothing.
She ain't got nothing to say.
Nothing.
So we're closing out the night, and we had a great day. It was perfect.